This application requires 2 strips of KT tape. Begin by sitting on a bench or floor. While the knee is bent, prepare a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. Apply the anchor just above the ankle bone on one side of the calf with no stretch, directing the tape towards your upper calf. Next, straighten the knee and pull your toes upward towards your shin. Pull the backing away from the tape to leave a 2-inch anchor on the other end and lightly stretch the tape towards your upper calf with one hand, while smoothing it down with the other. Finally, apply the last 2 inches of tape without any stretch, and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to ensure adhesion. Repeat on the other side with a second strip.
Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.